Okay, so to change color of a text, I thought it's actually located here, but it's not when I start learning After Effects. So basically where you have to go in After Effects, you're gonna have to go to Window here, and you can select Character or you can select Properties. What I'm saying, both or one of them is where Character or Properties, because here in Properties, in character first, you can highlight your text and then click on and then change your color. Very nice. But you know, when you have text, when you have something selected, you also can see properties there. And here in properties, we can change. Usually I use properties instead of characters, but here now we can change the bust, highlight your text, and then can change the size, we can change the fill, and then we can also highlight stroke and then add some stroke and increase the the size, and then yeah, that's basically what you can do, or that's where you have to go to just change color. Okay, so I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and subscribe and like this video if you found this helpful.